Hello everyone, welcome to WP-Tutoring. My name is Christina and today we're going to cover how to embed videos on your pages using the Gutenberg editor. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, go to the page you'd like to embed a video to. Click Edit. Click on the Add Block icon. Scroll down to Embeds. And see here are all the blocks or all the media embeds you can use. So here's YouTube, here's Instagram, Spotify, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Hulu. So depending on which source you would like to use, you would click on the corresponding block. So in this example, we're going to use YouTube. So I click on YouTube and I will copy the URL of the YouTube video. Paste it, click embed, and here's our video. Okay, click update. Let's check out our page. And here's our video. As you can see, it's pretty quick and simple to do. Thank you for watching this tutorial and check back to see our future videos.